What? Well, I was going to have you go up the hill over here, but go. Just go. Not that way, turn. Let's go. Not too tight. You gotta watch that caboose. It's sliding around. Don't. I've got one of the wheels is way out on this caboose all of a sudden, and I had them all straight before we left. And probably because he tied it down too tight and shifted all the wheels out. Because these cars are supposed to follow the loco precisely. Yeah, it's not every day a train just comes out of the blue on a Peter Pan track.
All right, good night.
All right. The security guard scared him. He was walking out and the train was coming through, but we had all the lights on, so that worked out great. It's just like being in the malls. A lot of people don't imagine the train is going to be driving down the middle of a mall. Oh, I hope we don't lose every piece in this train here. It's not right. It's dancing so much. Looks like a conga line. I think they're supposed to tie it across the hitches, and they're tying it.
Lost satellite reception.
Down the line. And I think it's damaging the axles or something. I can do some adjustment to line the wheels up to get it to ride a little straighter, but really all in all, I'm going to probably have to flip each car to the side and visualize the suspension underneath. Although we don't have shocks and all that, I mean, it doesn't have Cadillac ride, that's for sure. We can make a few adjustments on the toe in and toe out on the wheels, and it helps it ride better. But normally, all the cars are supposed to follow in sync exactly the path of the loco, which it is just not doing. The caboose is doing its own little dance back there. Oh, it's about dragging it. There is something wrong. I'm gonna have to flip that car. You get out and close that black door. And watch this caboose because it's sliding back and forth. Don't get too close to these cars with that caboose like that. I had to kill the lights because they reflect up in the mirrors, the side mirrors. So it's hard for the driver to see. Oh, I'm not happy about this damage on this caboose. This is not a good thing. But always, anytime you disconnect the pieces and move these trains, you've got to hook them back up and check them and run them around a little bit before you run them with people in it to make sure everything is running appropriately. The insurance for these trains is so incredibly high, you've got to really be extremely careful not to have to use that insurance. Yeah, I'm not liking the way that caboose is rolling at all. It's not a good thing. Now, because the train is electric, we have cables that run underneath a big main cable from the loco to the cars. So when there's puddles like this, we try to avoid that as much as possible in case there's any breakage in the main harness, because we don't want to electrocute the train. You can end up electrocuting the sound system or the lighting or any of that. The cars are not motorized, only the loco. But we really need the sound for entertainment for the customers and for fair warning that we're coming. And the lighting is a major plus. That is a kid catcher. It's like going to Disneyland and seeing the choo-choo train. Everybody wants to ride it. When they see those lights, it's like magic. Okay. Now, we'll have to get this back in. And then, because it's 1 in the morning now, we are going to have to work on the caboose, the little red caboose in the back tomorrow, because I'm not pleased with the way it's doing Taconga wicked bad, and the way it's sitting. I'm not happy with it at all. I'm hoping that I can make some adjustments to correct that. But I do have a backup train, so I can change parts. If I need to, I can switch cars out and add cars. I just don't like to use that other train because it's brand new in it. I like it to stay new. So there you have it.